Was it 7:17? Let's try to remember to quit by 8:17 so we can get ready.
Okay.
Sail on, silver bird. Sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. Nah. See how they shine. Oh, when darkness comes. Hey, everybody, what's going on? Let's start the show. Let's get up. Let's go. Get up. Yeah, everybody's going to move their feet. Bonjour, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Bonjour Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. Over here, the star of the show. Oh, get out of here, will you?
Nanaboozhoo, Ikaton Boozhoo, sweetie. Say hello.
Bonjour, everybody. Welcome back to the show.
And over here, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Ikaton Boozhoo, Nietzsche. Say hello, brother.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
Yeah. And today, our big Ojibwe word of the day, Anama e gisha good. Anama e gisha good. It is prayer day. Sunday. Sunday is prayer day. Hey, sweetie, should I go outside and say a little prayer before we start the show?
Yeah, would you mind? Could you put out some tobacco and ask the creator to bless our show or something?
Yeah, okay. Why don't you teleport me out to that little flower bed place?
Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me lock in on your coordinates here.
Nah.
All right, 1 to teleport outside. Hang on, sweetie.
Okay. I'm gonna go outside.
All right, teleporting.
Oh, it's really pretty out here. Nah.
Hello.
Hi, sweetie, it's me.
Oh, hello, Natasha. Did you make it out there in one piece?
Yep, I'm out here, thank you.
Okay. Well, you give me a call when you want me to pick you up, and I'll teleport you home.
All right, sweetie.
All right, roger that. Over and out.
Roger that. Over and out. Nah. Bloop. All right. So I'm just going to grab a little Asema. Asema. Tobacco. And I'm going to say a little... Oh, hey, wait. Before I do this... Let's see. Which one was it? Nope. Anima A is pray. Anima A is prayer. It's Anima A Gishiga. It's prayer day. Anima A is pray. So I'm going to Anima A to get your Manadu to Great Spirit. And I thought I actually had a Sema, but I don't. I mean, I do, but I thought I had the word. Anyway, I'm going to grab some Asema. I'm going to say, get your Manadu Odapanani we Asema. Great Spirit, please accept my tobacco.
Oh, thank you, my daughter.
Oh, hi. Ladies and gentlemen, Great Spirit.
Hello, everybody. How you doing?
What are you doing out here?
Well, I'm the Great Spirit. I'm the creator. I am everywhere.
Oh, that's right. I was just going to give you some tobacco.
Oh, thank you so much, my daughter. I so appreciate that. Did you want to say a prayer?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do here.
Well, you go right ahead.
Okay. So, please accept my tobacco. Taka! Takas, please. Taka! Otapanani we asema kichimanadu. Please accept my tobacco. Natasha, Natasha's my name. Kitchimanadu. Tekawi duka wishin. Minowe nungum. Great Spirit, please help me speak well today.
Oh, my daughter, you don't need to worry yourself about that. You speak just lovely every day.
Is that right?
Oh, yes.
Oh, thanks. But in any case, would you mind, being a bro and helping me out?
I will, my daughter.
Thank you, Father, who art in heaven. All right, so then I'm going to put out some tobacco. And I'll say, Miigwech bizendawieg. Thank you for listening.
I am always listening, my daughter.
Yeah, thanks. Miigwech bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. Ape inge. Amen. 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 Anyway. Okay, I gotta go back.
All right.
And so that was just a little prayer. And now I think I'll go home. Bloop.
Hello.
Hi, sweetie, it's me.
Well, hello there, Natasha. Did you want me to scan for your coordinates and teleport you back home?
Would you mind?
Not at all. Hold on. Scanning for your coordinates. Nah. All right, I've locked in on your coordinates. Don't move.
Okay.
Teleporting. 1 to teleport home. Nah. Hey, welcome back.
Thank you, sweetie.
Did you see God out there?
Well, I didn't see him, but I talked to him.
Oh, that's cool.
All right, well, there you go. Do you want to get up here?
Yeah, sure.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, now please welcome, without further ado, the star of the show, NANABOOZHOO. Take it away, baby.
Thank you so much, sweetheart. Bonjour. And how's it going, Bonjour Crew? Hey, sweetie, guess what?
What's that?
Lori Tyndall was the first in line.
All right. Hey, bonjour, Lori. What's going on, my sister?
Can we give her a gold star?
Gold star for Lori.
Yeah, she says, Bonjour, I'm up early. Yep, we're all up early. That's the problem with being on a Anishinaabe.
What?
I mean, there's a whole list, but a lot of Indian people, we come from a long line of fishermen and boarding school survivors who learn to get up early in the morning. They would say, early to bed, early to rise. And so it's hard for a lot of us to sleep in if we're walking the walk.
If we're walking the walk and talking the talk?
Yeah. I've always been an early riser. And my grandfather was an early riser. And, his grandfather was an early riser. You get up before the sun. That's what you're supposed to do. Don't be sleeping. Don't be sleeping your life away. You can sleep in heaven. It's in the Bible.
This is not.
Isn't it?
I don't think so.
Oh. In that case, have another cup of coffee. You don't need to sleep.
Yeah.
Huh. And Jessica Wabooz is still alive. Hey, bonjour, Jessica. Can we give a silver star for Jessica?
You got it. Hey, Jessica.
Jessica's, riding out the storm. Jessica's a rider in the storm.
Riders on a storm.
That's another band I hate.
The Doors?
Yeah. They're the worst. What's a band that everybody loves that you hate?
I'm kind of with you on the Doors. I also, okay, if I'm being honest, I've never understood Radiohead. I listened to like 10 minutes of it and went, what is this?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't know what that is either.
And I'm pretty close-minded about rap.
Yeah.
But what is something that everyone loves and I hate? La, 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 do, do, do. I don't know.
I mean, I've just cooled on a lot of stuff like the Beatles and the Rolling Stones. I mean, how many times can you hear those same songs? It's enough already. Would you put away those Rolling Stone albums? There's Kiss records to be played.
Yeah, we're one to talk.
So then Jessica gets a silver star and always learning. Where were you?
We started early, Always Learning. We thought maybe, hey, let's squeeze in a live stream before Always Learning gets up. Always Learning is one of those people, you know, I don't know if Always Learning is a man or a woman. I don't want to misgender Always Learning. But they like to party, so they go, Always Learning is probably just getting in.
Yeah, been out all night.
Yeah. Oh, the rest of it's good morning. Always Learning, it's like, oh, welcome back from the party. I'm glad you're still up. Maybe you can finally go to bed after the show. We need to sit down and talk, Always Learning. You're making some fatal mistakes. You and your wild and crazy lifestyle. Oh no, I got to be free. I got to dance. I got to boogie. That's what Always Learning says.
Does Always Learning just want to boogie?
Got to boogie. That's what I heard. It's got the rock and roll fever.
Oh no. Was she vaccinated with a vitriol needle or whatever?
With a record needle?
Yeah.
I don't know. Hey, Daniel Black's here. Sneaky start. If it wasn't for Lori, I wouldn't have known. Daniel found out too.
Doggone it. We're going to have to be sneakier.
How you doing, my brother? What's up? Daniel Black. He's back in black. And, it's Lori who did it. If it wasn't for Lori, I wouldn't have known. Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. It is a good morning.
Is it a good morning to take a phone call?
Oh, we have a phone call?
Yep, line 2 is lighting up.
All right, well, let's take it. Caller, welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back. Caller, you're on BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Whatever, hello. Oh, man, I'm freaking out. I'm just freaking out. Oh, hey, it's the Cowardly Lion. Sweetie, it's the Cowardly Lion.
Well, hi, Mitsubishi.
How you doing, Niji? I don't know, man. I'm really freaking out. Why are you freaking out? I'm just so scared of everything. I mean, what happens? The pandemic, man. We're all going to get the COVID. Just settle down, all right? How do you feel right now? I'm okay right now, man. I'm wearing 2 masks and I got my 3rd shot and I won't leave my house. I'll be okay, man. I'll be okay if I just don't leave the house. Dude. Okay, first of all, calm down. You're going to be all right. But I'm so scared. Well, that's because you're a cowardly lion. You can't help that. You got no courage. You're fearful. Whoops. It's a Gaindam. You're a fearful Mishabiji. I don't know, man. Am I fearful or am I just realistic? The world's ending. There's the pandemic, man. And you know what else? What's that? They're trying to turn the kids gay, man. They got the transgendered story hour. They're going to turn my kid gay. Just calm down. It's all right. I don't know, man. I just don't know anymore. You've got to relax. You're too fearful. Here, listen, I'm going to help you. I don't know if you can help me, man. You got to help me. Okay, just relax. Wow, he's really... How much coffee have you had this morning? I had 4 cups, man. I've been up since 3 o'clock worrying. I'm pacing around, man. I've paced a path in my carpet. Okay, well, quit pacing. Just relax. I'm going to teach you how to have Aqua de Awin. Aqua de Awin? Courage? I don't know, man. I'm afraid that if you try to teach me, I'm just going to forget. Don't be fearful. You're going to remember this. All right. Here's the problem. You got yourself all worked up here, and you got way too much coffee, and you've been watching the news too much. This is what they're trying to do to us. If you want to be afraid of something, don't be afraid of the COVID. Don't be afraid of internet censorship. Don't be afraid of the transpocalypse, story hour. Every one of these stories, they're just trying to freak you out. Why would they do that, man? Why would they do that? Well, because they know you'll tune in. And it's a weird form of entertainment. They get people all fearful and scared, so they want to tune in. They think they got to know what's going to happen. And nothing ever happens. What do you mean, man? Just look around. The world's ending. Yeah, that's just it. If you look around, the world's not ending, dude. We're okay. Yeah, if you watch the news, every night, we just go through new seasons. They come up with new scary stuff. Yeah, man, did you watch that? Joe Biden has armed the terrorists, man, the Taliban. Yeah, or Al-Qaeda, or one of those guys. I don't understand any of that. Yeah, man, we're all going to die. Well, don't be afraid. Yeah, we're all going to die one way or the other. But there's no reason to be fearful. Here, let me help you. I used to be like you. What do you mean, man? How could you ever be like me? I'm a wreck. Yeah. You know, I may seem all cool now, but that's because I have miigwetchiwendam. You got what now, man? I don't even understand your language. I've got gratitude. Miigwetchiwendam. Say it with me. Miigwetchiwendam. Miigwetchiwendam. Yeah. You need to have gratitude. I can't have gratitude, man. I need courage. How can I stand up to all my fears? Well, that's just it. You don't need courage. You will have courage if you first start with gratitude. Here's a little secret that people don't know. Do you know about this?
About gratitude and anxiety?
Yeah.
Yep.
So they say you can have one or the other at the time. You can have anxiety, fear, or you can have gratitude. Miigwetchiwendam. But you can't have them at the same time. I don't know, man. I've only had fear. That's all I've ever known, man. It's who I am. Yeah, it's not really who you are. It's who they've tried to make you be. Dude, and so here's how do you get gratitude? Yeah, man, I can't be grateful. At any minute, man, they're gonna kill me. Well, that's just it. Just pause for a second. Start. Is there anything that you are grateful for? I don't know, man. I got this gun. Okay, be careful with that gun. Number one, that's very dangerous. But hey, you have a gun. Yeah, man. So come in here. I'm gonna shoot back, man. I'm gonna go down fighting. Okay, just relax. What else are you grateful for? I don't know, man. I guess I got pretty good hair. Yeah, you got amazing hair, man. I mean, look at that. Is that a beard? It's like your hair, and you look like who's that? The Motor City Madman? What was that guy? That guitar player? Yeah. Ted Nugent. You look like Ted Nugent back in the day. Oh, man. Ted Nugent, he's the Motor City Madman. Yeah. Anyway, you got great hair. What else are you grateful for? I don't know, man. I have a couple of friends, man. I'm going to hang out with a Scarecrow and a Tin Man. You know, they're good dudes. They're really good dudes. Yeah, they're not bad. Do you have any love in your life? I don't know, man. I kind of dodged a bullet with that chick from Kansas. What, Dorothy? Yeah, man. You know, she was checking me out, man. I think she liked the lion. I didn't get that. I thought she kind of liked the Scarecrow. No, man. She wanted the lion. But I'm a MGTOW, man. I'm afraid of being in a relationship. Yeah. Okay. Well, don't be. Are you grateful that you're not married? Well, I'm grateful I'm not divorced. I'll tell you that much. Yeah. So be grateful. You know, here's my point. Start writing down things you're grateful for. Say, oh, I got good hair. I've got some good buddies, a Scarecrow and a Tin Man. You dodged a bullet with that murderous Dorothy. She killed 2 witches, man. She killed 2 witches. Yeah, I know. And you were an accomplice too, but let's not get into that. But you have great hair. Yeah, man, I got pretty good hair. I gotta say, I got pretty good hair. Yeah. Looks like you tweezed your eyebrows. Yeah, man, I like to tweeze my eyebrows up, man. It makes my eyes dance. Yeah, you're a good-looking dude. Your eyes dance. So, you know, start writing down things you're grateful for, and then focus on those things. Don't focus on the things you have no control over. I know it's like that old serenity prayer about granting serenity. To accept the things you can't change, Oh man, I need that. I know. Some things you can't change, dude. You're worrying about whether or not the, there's going to be martial law and Big Brother's coming to make you get the vaccination or whatever. You really can't do much about that. But you can ignore it. You don't have to worry about something that's not happening. To pay attention to the things that actually are happening. Are you healthy right now? Yeah, man, I'm fine. Yeah, see, you don't have any disease. Be grateful for that. Don't be afraid that you might come down with a disease. Spend time thinking about that you're healthy. That does make a lot of sense, man. You make a lot of sense. Well, I've been like you. I've been scared. Man. I don't know. Maybe I have been overreacting. Yeah. Just relax. It's going to be okay. Just remember, miigwech and be grateful. And then you'll find your awkward day. Awen, your courage. All right, man. I guess I can just kind of maybe kick back a little bit today. Tell you what, I'll take one day off from worrying about it. There you go. Just take a day off from worrying. You can start out again fresh tomorrow, worrying about the world. All right, man. Okay, I gotta go. Okay. I'll see you again. Yeah, I'll see you again. Giga wabamin minawa. Giga wabamin minawa. Sweetie, what's this?
Dalai Lama's been online too.
Oh, hey, Dalai Lama, welcome back to the show.
Hello there, Bishop.
Well, thank you so much, sir. Wow, I'm getting a compliment from His Holiness.
I know, I can't believe it.
Well, why do you say that?
Well,
Yep, they do all look alike. Yeah, I know. That was stupid. How could you possibly know that? Really? Both of them were at Jeffrey Epstein's island? Well, what were you doing there? Yeah, it's a convenient excuse. Listen, man, I gotta go. I'm sorry, dude. I don't want to be friends with somebody who partied with Jeffrey Epstein. Dude, no, just get off my show. Nah, I'm out. Sweetie?
Okay. What did he say?
I don't even want to repeat it.
Was he on Jeffrey Epstein's island?
I don't want to say anything because you know how YouTube is. But this could be breaking news in the Buddhist community.
I had no idea.
Mm-hmm. It's no joke. I don't think this show is about making light of such a thing. Teach me to accidentally hit the wrong button.
Yeah.
So anyway, how you guys doing? Hey, Kaya Thunder's here. Bonjour. Kaya's here, sweetie.
Hey, bonjour, Kaya.
Yeah. Apparently the Dalai Lama partied with the alleged Jeffrey Epstein. Allegedly. I guess we're alleging it. Yeah, take that. What was that guy's name?
Who?
That has-been actor who was a big Dalai Lama fan.
Oh, from, what is that? I can't remember any of his movies.
Yeah. All I know him for now is the gerbil story.
Yeah, I can't remember his name.
He's always like talking about Buddhism. Richard Gere. Yeah, Richard Gere. Take that, Richard Gere. You and your buddy hanging out with Epstein Island with Clinton and Bill Gates. Richard Gere. Love lift us up where we belong. Up where the eagle fly in a mountain high. Love lifts us up. Do you think love lifts us up where we belong, sweetie? I don't know. Here's my question for the Bonjour Crew. Did love lift you up where you belonged? What does that mean? I have no idea. Some songs are so stupid. Like, remember this old one? Someone left the cake out in the rain. I don't think that I could take it, 'cause it took so long to bake it. And I'll never have that recipe again. Oh no! Yeah. Someone left a cake out in the rain. What? All right. The birthday cake apparently is raining, took it out. And I don't think someone left a cake out in the rain. I don't think that I can take it. And it's just dramatic. He can't take it. The cake's getting all wet. It took so long to bake it. Okay, yeah, I understand. It's a metaphor for their relationship. Oh, they had something sweet and festive. They had a cake. But somebody left it out in the rain. Somebody, you know who? The old lady. Somebody left the cake out in the rain, and I don't think that I can take it. He's going to kill himself over it. He can't take it. Because it took so long to bake it. You know, I mean, how long does it take to bake a cake? You bake it on 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Really? I have no idea. I've never baked a cake. Yeah, I haven't either. Isn't that stupid? That's because we don't have kids. I know. Here's a little unknown fact about people without children. We don't know how to make birthday cakes. Never had a cause. You know, I've had birthday cakes. People baked them for me. But unless you have children, you never learn that skill. There's a couple of other skills to parenting, I guess. But that's a big one. Anyway, so it took so long to bake it, and he'll never have that recipe again. He's never going to know how to bake a cake again. Yeah, apparently a recipe for a cake is kind of like plans for a nuclear warhead. Nuclear. I don't even know if nukes are real. They probably aren't. Because it took so long. Kaya Thunder says Jeffrey Epstein isn't real. He's just a horror story to scare kids, like the boogeyman. Or Bill Cosby. Jeffrey Epstein isn't real. What, I bet you believe in Bill Cosby. Nah, man, that's the internet. They're making up these boogeymen. You know. Oh, look out. Jeffrey Epstein's going to get you. Bill Clinton's going to get you. These guys aren't real. I bet you believe in Joe Biden. This creepy senile weirdo who snatches up children and sniffs them and God knows what. And swims naked in front of the CIA and reporters. That's enough to ruin a man's reputation. I don't know why that didn't ruin his reputation. The story about swimming naked? Mm-hmm. Nothing screams, I'm a weirdo, more than the old man who's unashamed of his naked body and unconcerned with the discomfort that seeing his naked body would bring to any person with eyes. Even his pet doesn't want to see him naked. I've seen it. His dog, he turns away. But Joe Biden will swim in front of the CIA naked. Just one of those old creeps that just walks around. What? I'm not ashamed. Well, you should be. Look at you. You know, you're like a flabby, deflated human being with fake teeth, some sort of inconsistent bald head. I mean, how many wisps of hair can they somehow camouflage into having hair? Anyway. I don't trust a man who's insecure about being bald. You know, there's like, oh no, he knows he's bald. It's like he spends a lot of time in that chair with his remaining wisps. Just shave that off, you idiot. You can look like Jean-Luc Picard. I don't trust a man who wears, even though you wear them. Oh, my Michael Jackson glasses. Yeah, those motorcycle glasses, Joe Biden glasses, I call them. Makes me look like a CIA guy. Yeah, I don't trust it. I don't trust anything about him. And he's totally senile. I used to feel sorry for him, but then I don't know. It's not funny anymore. Love is all. Always Learning said, love has carried me along in life for 21 years. There were times I know I wouldn't have made it on my own. Always Learning is either like a really cool woman, yeah, or a dude who's actually honest about his feelings. What do you mean? Like, I still can't tell if Always Learning. I think I used to know and I forgot right now. But that is a really sweet thing to say about love carrying a person for 21 years. That's a person who's committed probably to their marriage. And I wouldn't have made it on my own. Women don't like to admit stuff like that anymore. But it's a nice thing for a man to hear. I don't think I'd make it without you, sweetie. You know, you are my protector and provider. You know, that's a loving thing to say. You're my protector, my provider. I didn't mean to cue that, but you know, thank you. But also dudes, you know, we don't get credit for being the romantic ones. It's kind of true. You know, men are actually the ones who mourn hardest when a breakup is over. Yeah, women seem to get a lot. No girl will have a new boyfriend in a week. Yeah. Guys will break up with a woman and then yearly on the vigil, feast the memory. You know, men will mourn the passing of a relationship, even ones that we break up with. It's like, oh, it's too bad. You know, we had some good times, but I had to show her the door. I had to give her the boot. These are euphemisms for breaking up. I showed her the door. We're done. We're through. I hope you never know the joy of dumping somebody. Really? Why? Well, because I'd be the guy who's dumped. Oh, right. But there is something sort of empowering about a good dumping. I don't know if you guys ever experienced this. You know, and you learn it after you break up with somebody. And especially if you break up with somebody, not emotionally, but like logically. I mean, there's one thing, you know, you catch your man cheating on you, like, you know, get out of here. But when you're just in a bad relationship, they suck for too many reasons to try to fix them, and you just want out. When you take control of your life like that, it's like quitting a job. That's also very empowering. They say, oh, winners never quit. You've got to quit sometimes. You've got to quit a bad relationship. You got to quit a bad habit. And sometimes you got to quit people. You know, it was like that movie about the sodomites in the mountains. Brokeback Mountain? Yeah. Oh, I wish I knew how to quit you. Well, you should figure it out. Because quitting a person is a very powerful thing. You know, some people make a big deal out of it. Oh. But what it really comes down to is just resolve. You just tell the person, you know, you're not. The problem is a lot of us we're so riddled with guilt and we don't feel like we have the right to break up with somebody. You know. But when you do, you realize like, no, you know what? I can choose against this. And I don't have to be like held hostage to my guilt that this is going to hurt their feelings. So, well, you know, I'm not sorry. It's not me, but it's you. We're done. We're through. I don't want to go out with you anymore. You hear that? Bonjour Crew, all of yous, I officially break up with you. Go on, there's the door.
What are you doing?
I'm play acting that I'm breaking up with the Bonjour Crew.
Oh, don't do that. They're our friends.
I don't know. I think it would be empowering to dump a whole group of people at once.
That's stupid.
I wonder if people who are in polygamous relationships, like people who have like multiple wives, like the Mormons or whatever, does a Mormon guy ever dump like a whole group of women at once? He turns MGTOW and is, thanks for showing up, ladies. Thank you all for showing up today. If we can all just sit down for a second. I just want to tell you it's been a wonderful marriage. You know, marriage is sacred to our people, the Mormons. But I have to tell you 7, 8 women, it's not working out. I need to be free. I'm a free bird. And this bird you cannot change. So I'm setting you girls free. Oh, that's right. Remember how I had you all sign those prenuptial agreements? Sorry about that. And sorry about no child support. I secretly artificially inseminated all you guys with my brother's DNA. So they're not my kids. And then I'm going to go now. Thanks for the memories. And then he just leaves.
I would bet money that's never happened.
It's probably never happened. But I'm almost ready to convert to Mormonism. Just so I can have like a bunch of wives and then dump them all at once.
That's psychotic.
Yep. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Psycho Hour with NanaBOOZHOO. Nah, I'm not breaking up with you guys. I'm glad you're here. Let's stay together. Let's make this work. Come on. You know, sure, we met under weird... A lot of people said that internet relationships can't last. Huh, sweetie?
That's what they told us. They told us we were crazy to try.
Yep. But look at us now, Bonjour Crew. We're in a relationship. An actual internet relationship. Sweetie, I'm going to start an OnlyFans.
You better not.
Would you leave me if I started an OnlyFans? I started parading around in like a thong.
I would leave you so fast there'd be dust in the room.
Yeah. I don't think anybody would pay to see me strut around in a thong.
I'd pay.
Well, yeah, you. I don't know. Kaya says, the breakup isn't as bad as the suggestion to get an STD test. Yeah. You think breakups hurt? Why don't you get a test for chlamydia, boys? That would be uncomfortable.
Have you ever had that test?
No way.
What's the test?
Well, as I've heard it described, fellas, if you haven't heard this before, they stick something the size of a cigarette right up your wiener. No, thank you. But if you have chlamydia or something, that's what they got to do. They test you for an STD. Think about that next time you're like, should I snag this old lady or not? Don't. Someone breaks up with me, I can deal. But saying, hey, I gave you a disease is when I want to start slapping faces. Yeah, no kidding, Kaya. I know. Everybody pretends that somebody else has the disease, you know. Beware of the most beautiful people you ever meet. Because they're at the highest risk.
What do you mean?
Well, that's why I hooked up with you, sweetie.
What, because I'm not beautiful?
Exactly. I saw you and I was like, well, I'm sure she hasn't been around much.
Get out of here.
No, I'm just kidding. You're a darling.
I know.
Jessica says, if you have a bunch of wives, I bet they collectively take more than half in the divorce. I would think twice before leaving multiple wives. Lori's like, me too, Kaya. Yeah. Multiple wives. You know, there's rumors out there that the old Indian guys used to have multiple wives. But I don't know if their definition of wife was the same definition as Chimokumans. You know. I mean, did they have children from multiple women, or was this just a dude who was in charge, who was, was tasked to feed and clothe not only his wife but also her sisters, for some reason? You know. Is it the case where there was, some guy, his brother died, and he goes, "Oh, so his wife became my wife." And that doesn't mean he starts snuggling up like a Hunter Biden. Hey, speaking of which, what's that? Looks like Hunter Biden is online too. Yeah, okay. Hunter Biden's online too. Speaking of taking on your brother's wife, Hunter Biden, the son of the President of the United States, married his brother's wife after his brother died. Hey man, what's going on? Hello, Hunter. Welcome to the show. What are you talking about, man? Multiple wives? That's crazy. Yeah, that's really inappropriate. Do you think it's inappropriate for like the old Indian guys who would marry if their brother died, the brother's wife would become their wife? Man, no, that's a party. That's what I call a party, man. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, shoot, what's she going to do? Is she going to go out and marry somebody her husband wasn't related to? And that's sick. No, that's normal. What's up with your sister-in-law wife that she would, we can all kind of make fun of you, but she also went, yeah, I'm staying with this family. I don't know, man. I guess you like my teeth. Your teeth are fake. Yeah, don't tell her that, man. I told her I had straight white teeth. She don't know my teeth became little stubs after the methamphetamines. Yeah, I know. How are things going with that? It's going great, man. I just did a whole bunch this morning. I'm in a hotel right now, man. Don't tell anybody. Shh, don't tell anybody. Dude, you're a wreck. You're a mess. No, man, I'm good. What can I do for you, Hunter? I want to teach Jibway word day. I'm going to teach that Jibway word day, man. I don't know. Son of my egg, you good. What? Out of my egg, you good. Come on, man. Give me a good one. That is a good one. It's called prayer day. That's what we call Sunday. I think we need to say a prayer for your whole family. Out of my egg, you good. Prayer day. That's great, man. You gonna say a prayer for me and my wife and my sister-in-law? And they're the same person? Yeah. I'm gonna say a prayer for you and the old man and the whole country. I think we're in real trouble. Get out of here, man. We're fine. What else you got for me? Okay. Anama means pray. Anama is pray. Yep. Anama is prayer. What? Anama is prayer. What's the difference? Pray and prayer. All right, pray and prayer. Anama Oh, that's great, man. Don't say a prayer for me now. Say a prayer for the morning after. No, it's kidding. Yeah, okay. And then we also had the Cowardly Lion. Mitsubishi. What? Mitsubishi Lion. Yep. And he was fearful. They gained him. Who know? They gained him. They gained him. They gained him. Fearful. I am fearful nothing. Yeah, maybe you should be. Anything else? Gonna come back on. And there it is. It's come back on. Yep. I guess I'm grateful that the OBS studio thing came back on. Yeah, man. I'm also grateful for this pile of drugs. Yep. Okay, I gotta go, man. Okay. Hey. Can I ask you a question? What? How do you say that? I will see you again in a Ojibwe. We say, Gigawaba Min. Minowa. Gigawaba, who know? Why do we take his call? Because it's hilarious. Gigawaba Min. Minowa. Manawa! Gigawa, man, Manawa! Well, hey, man. Let me just tell you one. I just want to tell you something. Let me just tell you one thing. Gigawa, man, Manawa! Yep, Gigawa, man, Manawa. Hunter. What? I don't know, man. There's something that feels wrong about taking Hunter Biden's calls. What do you mean? I don't know. I kind of feel like we're laughing at him instead of with him. I'm not laughing. No. I'm not laughing anymore either, sweetheart. Are you laughing? Do you think drugs are funny? No. It's a tragic thing. For shame. Don't shame the Bonjour Crew. Oh, right. Yeah, do what you like. Okay. Daniel Black says, multiple wives, no thanks. Why make your life really complicated? Yeah, no kidding. Multiple wives. I guess, I don't know, am I being culturally insensitive? Yeah, man, you gotta be culturally sensitive. I mean, what about the Mormons? Yeah. What does that have to do with me if people want to have multiple wives? I don't care. I mean, if we're going to allow Pete Buttigieg, did you see that picture, that gay congressman? Pete Buttigieg? Yeah. He and his husband, they adopted 2 kids, and so they took a picture in a hospital bed, like they just gave birth to those kids. I'm like, dude. Oh, that's right. I keep forgetting men can have babies now. I'm like, what are you doing? Couple of weirdos. Let's see. Joe's here. Hey, Joseph, what's up? Joe's here, sweetie. Who's here, Joseph? Joseph says, smack a Joe tribe. Smack a Joe. Like a tornado. Take cover. Watch for flying debris. Yeah, no kidding. Hey, Papa Wagosh is here. Bonjour, Papa Wagosh. All these chatters and only 2 thumbs up. Hey, what's the matter, you guys? Somebody cut off your thumbs? Why did you owe the mob money? They come and break your thumbs. You can't give me a thumbs up? We got a thumbs down yesterday. I saw that. I bare my heart. I'm crying over my dead cat. And somebody bothers to come up and go, this sucks. Thumbs down. Although I think I know who it is. Really? Well, is it that redneck guy? Well, I think it was originally. Because he would leave his name. When we first started doing the live stream, there was like some redneck guy who would write in the N-word 1 letter at a time and just give us a thumbs down. You know, took a little time out of his day to come over to our channel and call us a bad name. A racially inaccurate slur. But I thought it was him giving us a thumbs down. But they now, I heard it said that your greatest supporters in life, if you're in the arts or whatever, are going to be people you've never met. The people who most understand your work, what you're trying to do, who most believe in you, they're going to be people you don't know. And your greatest detractors, the people who have no faith in you, who hate what you do, and are trying to discourage you, will be people who know you. And so, if I'm wrong, I don't want to say his name. But there's somebody who knows me, has known me for a long time, who's, I guess now I would say, has probably always been jealous of me. So, yeah, I think he comes over and gives me a thumbs down. But I'm not gonna say any more about it. But anyway, so I got a thumbs down on our tribute to Princess yesterday. And I don't expect like what I do here to be popular. I don't expect people to wanna watch a show. But if you do watch a show, I don't expect people. Actually, I don't even expect people to necessarily like it. I don't know. Our sense of humor is pretty stupid. But when we're talking about something kind of personal, and I don't know, to put a thumbs down is kind of like, wow, you guys are. Well, I guess what I'm saying is, did you want to hurt my feelings? Well, congratulations, because you did. Sweetie, I can't go on. You can't go on because of one thumbs down? What are you, a beta male? I'm totally beta, sweetie. You gotta be alpha male. Have some balls. How dare you? Lori Tyndall says, I refreshed and I see 7 now. Oh, good. Now we got 7 thumbs up. Thank you, everybody. That's probably almost everyone on our wildly popular live stream. We're like the next Joe Rogan experience. Yeah, huh? What other podcast do you think you could compare us to? The Muppet Show? Yeah, I guess we are. But they're not a podcast. They really aren't. See, who would I compare us to? We're definitely live. We're regular. Owen Benjamin, kind of. Because he just sort of riffs comedy and he plays music. Yeah. If you guys ever watch Owen Benjamin, he's been kicked off of YouTube. It's hard to find him. Yeah, we're kind of like him a little bit. If we had more guests, we'd be like Joe Rogan. That's what I was thinking of at first when we did this. What's that? That I would sit in a room and have like headphones and a microphone and interview somebody, like in a live stream format. And we still might do that. But we got to get some, we could do like now I'm just kind of working out details of the show. This has nothing to do with entertainment. We're talking shop. We could get like telephone guests or whatever, like they do. Yeah. Who would you like for to be a guest on here? Like a real human being? Well, celebrities, of course. If you could have any celebrity guest, who would you like? Paul Stanley? Yes, of course. But tell you the truth, I think he'd be kind of a boring guest. He always says the same thing. And, don't meet your heroes, they say. What about Sylvester Stallone? Well, he calls in all the time. But we'd like him, the actor, Sylvester? I don't know. No, we should probably get Indian people on here. Like Adam Beach. Yeah. Or Thomas Built-A-Fire. Yeah. I'd like to get the actor who plays Thomas Built-A-Fire. He's like a doctor or something. What about like other people in the industry? Like the real Kermit the Frog? Yeah, there was a time when I thought it'd be fun for us to be on Sesame Street. I was thinking, man, maybe we should try to, like if I had a manager, Chad, there could be somebody who would like do the legwork to contact Sesame Street, the Children's Television Workshop, and say, hey, hi, my name's NANABOOZHOO. I teach a show on Ojibwe language and culture. Wouldn't it be funny if I showed up one day and you could do an episode about, coming to the res or something? But now, I've kind of lost respect for Sesame Street. Really? Yeah, it's gotten too woke. It's too pushing the woke agenda. It's all about, fighting racism and transgendered gonzo and, drag queen story hour with Kermit. I don't think I want to be part of that anymore. Are you homophobic? I'm the cowardly straight. No, there's no such thing as homophobia. What do you mean? All right, here's the last word, and then I got to get going. There's no such thing as transphobia, you guys. I mean, yeah, I'm a little afraid of crazy. There's mental illness phobia, which is probably sometimes warranted. But when you see a guy who's clearly mentally ill, no matter what he's wearing, and you go, hey, I'm going to cross the street. Or, nah, dude, look, you're dressed up like a weirdo. It's like, how dare you? I'm a man in a woman's dress, or whatever. I'm transgender woman. And I come up and I go, no, I'm getting a weird vibe from you. You look like a weirdo. Don't read to my kids. I don't know what you're up to. That's not fear. Phobia is like an unnatural fear. Nobody is unnaturally afraid of transgender people, and certainly not gay people. That's the wrong word. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not saying there's no such thing as non-acceptance. There's all kinds of that. But it's not because we're afraid of you. It's because we're not even disgusted. Well, yeah, kind of disgusted. Like if I see a man in short shorts, it has nothing to do with my feelings about your sexual orientation. It's the fact you're a man in short shorts. I'm not afraid of your icky old white legs, all hairy white legs, and your 1970s mesh tank top. That's not fear. That's me going, ugh, I don't want to see your nipples. Would you cover up? I'm a guy from Minnesota. I'm a straight from Minnesota. Cover up your body. You're embarrassing me. You know, all men of any persuasion, even you straight guys with your shirt off, put it on. Oh, let's go play basketball in the park. I'm going to take off my shirt and guard you. No, you're not. I don't want to see your flabby, hairy nipples when I'm trying to play basketball. Who are you talking to? Hypothetical guy in the world. Yeah, we better get going. We got to get ready for church. Oh, okay. All right, everyone. That's all the time we have for today. I'm going to stop talking about hairy nipples for now. But I do want to say, from the bottom of my heart, I never wanted to break up with you. I never meant to hurt you that way. I don't want to break up with the Bonjour Crew. Okay? Please, take me back. And, anything else, sweetie? No, that's good. All right. Do I play the hard rockin' or the sweet intro song? Sweet! Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is the lovely and the talented Natasha. Get out of here! This is the rockstar cartoonist who doesn't talk much, Michael Lyons. Hey, thank you so much for watching the show, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. And I will see you again. Giga Wabamin. Minowa. Hey, sweetie, you want to teleport me away this time? Yeah, sure. Alright. We didn't do a song. That's okay. See you tomorrow. One to teleport! Hang on!